Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, maybe you are new and you have not yet subscribed, right? Make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also click on the bell notification so that once we drop any single update, instantly you will be updated and you get an update. So, in order for you not to miss out on any single update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share. Now, let's see what we will be expecting for the week on our USD JPY. So, GBP USD, right? That is what we'll be looking out for the week. What are we going to be anticipating for the week on our GBP USD? So let's start with our trade on GBP. You all know before you take a trade, first thing first, you would want to know a trend that's trade. So if you have to zoom it out, it is very clear that GBP USD is in an uptrend. That is the full bigger picture, right? If you have to zoom it out, you see that it is clearly on an uptrend move. But when you zoom it in, which is our current trend here, this is also in an uptrend move. So if this is week one of it opening and closing bullish, week two of it opening and closing bullish, week three of it opening and closing bullish, week four of it opening and closing bullish, and week five of it opening and closing bullish, right? So now for this week six right here, market closed bearish. So this bearish move is just a pullback, right? That market just did. So now that we've gotten this pullback, so this week that we are predicting for, we will be anticipating for a bullish move. So basically, this week that we are predicting for, we should be expecting GBP USD to give us that bullish move and form into high. So guys, this week on GBP USD, we will be anticipating for bullish move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So what can you see right here on your daily time frame? What is the trend? What can you see? It is very clear that this is an uptrend move. So if you take a look at this on your GBP USD, for quick analysis, let's start from here. This is our higher high and then our higher low. This is also our higher high and then our higher low. This is the higher high and here comes the higher low. This is our higher high and here comes the higher low, right? Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on GBP USD will be giving us a bullish move that will form in new higher high. So in the long run, right, we should be anticipating for a bullish move GBP USD. So in the long run, GBP USD will definitely buy give us that bullish move, right? Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is it on the forward time frame. So market was once ranging within this level, right? This was once a support level, right? Market has been rejecting from this level multiple times. You can clearly see it here. Market has given us a rejection multiple times around this level, right? Now market eventually broke below it. Market pull back up, back in, hereby forming some, you can see it here. It formed the bottom right here. The market, when market pushed up, market was able to pull back, and now we are anticipating for market to continue to push up again. Guess what? And that push up should continue till it is able to take out this high and push up till it starts this resistance level. So this is one of the reasons why I'm saying this week we will be anticipating for a bullish move on GBP USD. Now, could there be any changes to this movement that we just predicted? Absolutely yes. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, we will make sure to let you know. So all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also click on the bell notification so you get an update instantly once we post